5 Best iPhone Charger Cable. Here is the product number 5. Baseus USB Cable for iPhone 11 Pro. Brand name, Baseus. Connector B, Lightning. Maximum current, 2.4A. Surface material, Nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Features, alloy connector. Has retail package, yes. Color, red, gold, black, Gary. Here is the product number 4. Magnetic Charge Micro USB Cable for iPhone 8X. Brand name, Usb. Connector A and B, Lightning, Micro USB, Type-C. Maximum current, 2.4A. Surface material, Nylon. Features, magnetic. Has retail package, yes. Cable length, 1m/2m. Here is the product number 3. Rock 3.1A Metal Nylon Braided Phone Cable. Brand name, Rock. Connector B, Lightning. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, Nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Features, alloy connector. Product name, for iPhone X cable. Type, for iPhone charger cable. Here is the product number 2. PZOZ Magnetic Cable Fast Charging Micro USB Cable. Brand name, PZOZ Connector B, Lightning, Type-C, Micro USB. Maximum current, 3A. Connector A, USB-A. Features, magnetic, 2-in-1, 3-in-1, illuminated, with LED indicator, with C94. Here is the product number 1. PZOZ USB Cable for iPhone Cable. Brand name, PZOZ. Connector B, Lightning. Maximum current, 2.4A. Surface material, Nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Has retail package, yes. Color, gold silvery rose gold gray. Feature, smartphone fast charging data sync cable adapter.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.